let us study Visual Basic IDE or Integrated Development Environment. We will open or will start the Visual Basic 2010 software from the Start menu. As we open the application, we get the Start page. We have already come to know that the Start page will have two options, either to one is to open new project and another one is to open existing project. It will also give us the list of recently opened projects or those projects, list of those projects which we have worked in the recent days. Now, there are two tick marks here, close page after project load and show page on startup. Suppose you don't want this start page to open as soon as you open this Visual Basic application, you can untick this and start page will not appear later on. But start page is a very handy window for us. So we usually start with the start page, or we keep the start page on the opening of the application. Now here we have a file menu and we have edit menu. We have view, debug, tools, window and help options in the menu bar. We have also toolbar. Please see the difference between toolbox and toolbar. Toolbox is used for the design of a new project or new application using Microsoft Visual Basic. But toolbar is the facility given in the application Visual Basic to create different or to edit the form or edit the text, edit the layout, etc. Now, if any window is missing, we can open it by using menu options. If any window is closed by mistake, we can open them by using menu items or some toolbar icon. For example, Solution Explorer. Suppose you close Solution Explorer, you can open the Solution Explorer using this toolbar. Okay, the Solution Explorer is open now. Here, there is an important aspect of Microsoft Visual Basic is tooltip. Microsoft softwares always show tooltips on the icon. When we move the cursor on the icon, we can see a yellow strip which helps us to find out what that icon does for us. So first item in this toolbar is Solution Explorer. Second one is Properties window. Third one is Object Browser. Fourth one is Toolbox, Extension Manager, Error List, etc. are there. Now let us start a new project. File, new project. Windows Form application. We will name this as Trial 4. When we open a project, we see the Form 1. Now, to work on the Form 1, we need Toolbox. That is to design various items or design a user interface. We use the component of the toolbox. So what is the use of toolbar here? What are the different types of toolbars available? What do the main file, edit, view, project menu items give us? That is our primary study matter here. Now, this way of arrangement of the windows is called as layout. We can change the layout using the tools menu. We can go to settings, and there are two types of layouts, basic settings and expert settings. If you use basic settings, we get more windows, whereas tools settings, if you go for expert settings, it will go for less windows opened. Okay, this is the two default layout systems given by Microsoft Visual Basic 2010. Now, other menus we have are file menu. We all know open, close, new, save, All these items come under file menu. From the edit menu, we have cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, select all, find, replace. All these items come under edit menu. Now view menu is very important here. Suppose any of the windows is not present in the on the layout, we can find it from the view menu. For example, toolbar. Suppose one toolbar, for example, only one toolbar is present here. I can go for a layout toolbar. See, we got a new toolbar here. View to toolbar and text editor or table designer or query designer, web browser, okay, build. Okay, all these toolbars can be opened using view toolbars option. Suppose any of the windows are not present here, we can go to view other windows and we can open any of these web browser, document outline, output window, etc. Okay, we can let us open output window. See, the output window is present here. So project is to improve our project, to go for new items in the project, to add new classes, new user controls, new forms, etc. We use project window. Build menu is used to execute the project. Debug is also used to compile and execute the project. Data menu is used when we connect our user interface to the database. Tools we have already seen. Okay, we can connect to the database and also we can customize some of the items, some of the toolbars and commands here by adding more items to the toolbar. And also if you don't want some of the toolbars options in the toolbars or commands, we can remove them. Now window is floating. We can make a floating window, docked window, or we can make auto hide. Okay, so what is the use of hide and auto hide? Let us go for auto hide. Okay, now we have enabled the auto hide option. So with the auto hide option, we get more space for our design of the form. Now, if a window is missing, if we move the cursor to that side, the window will pop up. For example, now auto hide property is hiding output window, but when we move the cursor to the output window side, output window opens up. Auto hide property is hiding toolbox. When we move the cursor to the toolbox icon, toolbox window opens up. This is how we can have a better layout for the Visual Basic IDE. We have other menu options in the window, that is the list of the projects here, which project is opened, which form is opened, all those things. Suppose we drag and drop one item to the form. Let us drag and drop one list box to this, and let us drag and drop one button item to the form, and also one text box. One text box. Now, some of the menus will have more options when there are components on the form. For example, edit window has now cut, copy, paste, etc. enabled when we have an item on the form. Similarly, we have the layout toolbar. Some of the options are enabled when we have some items on the some components on the form. We can have alignment, etc. Alignment, bring front to front, get to back, etc. All these options from this layout window. Let us align all these items to the right side. sorry, to the left side. Align it to the left side. So these are the menu items, toolbars, and start page and layout of Microsoft Visual Basic IDE.